Hi, friends. Welcome to Mindful Reflections. Have you ever wondered about the hidden power of water and how it can cleanse your energy and bring prosperity into your life? Stay with us as we explore the spiritual practices that harness the incredible potential of this universal element. Water is more than just a necessity for life. It's a symbol of purity, clarity, and transformation in many cultures around the world. In spiritual practices, water is often used to cleanse not only the body, but also the mind and spirit. Today, we will delve into various ways you can use water to enhance your spiritual journey and attract positive energy. Let's start with meditation by the water. Imagine yourself by a serene river or a calm lake. Close your eyes and focus on the sound of the flowing water. Each drop seems to wash away your stress and worries. Deep breaths in and out, feeling more relaxed with each breath. Water meditation helps you reach a state of deep relaxation and inner peace. Now let's talk about cleansing rituals. To cleanse your energy and space, use water with salt or essential oils. Fill a bowl with water and add sea salt or a few drops of lavender oil. Wash your hands with this water, imagining the negativity being washed away. You can also sprinkle this mixture around your home to remove negative energy and fill the space with freshness. Visualization and affirmations are also powerful with water. Take a clear glass of water and speak your desires and affirmations over it. For example, I attract success and abundance into my life. My home is filled with love and harmony. Visualize your words dissolving into the water, filling it with positive energy. Drink this water, feeling your wishes starting to come true. In some cultures, people place bowls of water at the entrance of their homes or on windowsills to protect the house from negative energy. You can enhance the protective properties of water by adding flowers, herbs, or crystals. Regularly change the water and thank it for its protection and assistance. It's important to express gratitude to water, not just use it for your goals. Pour water into a beautiful container, say words of thanks, and leave it in a significant place for you. This helps establish a deep and respectful connection with this element. A small fountain or aquarium at home can also create a harmonious space. Flowing water gives a sense of movement and life energy, promoting a peaceful atmosphere. An aquarium with fish brings joy and calm, helping to restore balance in your home. Practice regular baths with water and herbs. Add rosemary, lavender, or sage infusions to your bath. These herbs have powerful cleansing and calming properties. As you immerse yourself in the bath, imagine the water washing away all worries, filling your body and spirit with energy and light. Leave a bowl of water outside under the moon or sun to charge it with natural energy. Moon water is especially good for intuitive and emotional practices, while sun water helps to charge with energy and motivation. Use charged water for your rituals and meditations. Applying these methods, you can fully utilize the power of water to achieve harmony and well-being in your life. Water is a gift of nature, its strength and purity and ability to interact with our energy. Use water with respect and gratitude, and it will become your faithful ally on the path to spiritual growth and success. Remember, our connection with water goes beyond the physical. It is a bridge to our emotions, our spirit, and our inner peace. As you incorporate these practices into your daily life, you'll notice a transformation in how you feel and interact with the world around you. Let's go deeper into how water can be used in daily rituals to maintain a balanced and peaceful life. Morning rituals with water can set a positive tone for your day. Start your day by washing your face with cool water, imagining it washing away any negative thoughts or feelings. This simple act can be incredibly refreshing and revitalizing. In the evening, a warm bath with calming herbs can help you unwind and prepare for a restful sleep. As you soak, reflect on your day, and let the water wash away any residual stress or negativity. This practice not only cleanses your body but also your mind, promoting a sense of peace and relaxation. Another powerful practice is to use water in your gratitude rituals. At the end of each day, pour a glass of water and hold it in your hands. Close your eyes and think about the things you are grateful for. Speak your gratitude into the water, then drink it, allowing that gratitude to fill your entire being. This simple ritual can have a profound impact on your outlook and attitude. Creating a sacred space with water is another way to bring tranquility into your home. Place a bowl of water on your altar or in a special place where you meditate or pray. You can add flowers, crystals, or even a few drops of essential oil to the water. This sacred water becomes a focal point for your spiritual practice, helping you to connect more deeply with your intentions and desires. Water is a universal element that can be used in various rituals and practices. It can be employed not only for cleansing and attracting prosperity, but also for meditation, visualization, and creating protective barriers. Water can become a powerful tool in your spiritual practices if you learn how to interact with it properly. Water meditations. Find a quiet place by a body of water, a river, or a fountain. Close your eyes and focus on the sound of the water. Imagine that each drop washes away your stress and negativity. Breathe deeply and relax. Meditations by the water help you achieve inner peace. Cleansing rituals. To cleanse your energy and space, use water with salt or essential oils. Pour water into a bowl, add sea salt or a few drops of lavender essential oil. Wash your hands with this water, imagining the negativity washing away. Sprinkle this solution around your rooms to remove negative energy and fill the space with freshness. Creating protective barriers. In some cultures, bowls of water are placed at the entrance of homes or on windowsills to protect the house from negativity. You can enhance the protective properties of water by adding flowers, herbs, or crystals. Regularly change the water and thank it for its protection. By applying these methods, you can harness the power of water for harmony and well-being in your life. Water is a gift of nature, its strength and purity, and ability to interact with our energy. Use water with respect and gratitude, and it will become your faithful ally on the path to spiritual growth and success. Let's not forget the power of nature's water sources. Whenever possible, spend time near lakes, rivers, or the ocean. The natural energy of these water bodies can be incredibly healing and rejuvenating. Simply being in the presence of flowing water can help to clear your mind, lift your spirits, and restore your energy. Water is a powerful tool for transformation. It can help you to release old patterns, cleanse negative energy, and open up to new possibilities. By incorporating water rituals into your daily life, you can create a continuous flow of positive energy and well-being. As we conclude this exploration of the hidden powers of water, remember that these practices are just a starting point. Feel free to adapt and create your own rituals that resonate with you. The most important thing is to approach water with respect and gratitude, recognizing its profound ability to support and enhance your spiritual journey. Leave a comment below and let us know how you incorporate water into your spiritual practices. We would love to hear your experiences and tips. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the spiritual significance of water. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, Mindful Reflections, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Stay tuned for more inspiring content, and remember to stay mindful and reflective. See you in the next video.